You slam your brakes and you hear squeak, squeak, squeak. Why are your brakes shouting? Trust me, it can only be one of two things. Your brake pad has chopped. It is now so flat that the metal part is making direct contact with your car brake rotor or disc. This sound means the brake pad is not only low, it is finished. All you need to do is to replace your brake pad. A lot of new cars today show on the dashboard when your brake pad should be replaced. Second reason for this queen queen sound is that your brake disc is bad. Rust is the common factor. All you need to do is tell your mechanic to grind the disc, or better still, change it. Squeaking sound is one of the most uncomfortable noises known to man. Fix your brakes today. I am Mobile Man of 234 Drive. Make sure you like this post, share, and comment.